Welcome back to our new tutorial. We will explore how AI has covered our lives with digital and smart tools. Before starting, if you are new here and want to explore the latest technology-related news and updates, then hit the subscribe button and bell icon below, so you never miss a single of our new video. In our daily life, we can see the role of AI in these formats. Smart Assistant. AI powers popular virtual assistants like Siri, Alexa, and Google Assistant. It provides info, play music, sets alarms, control smart devices, and more recommendation system. Services like Netflix, Amazon, and YouTube use AI to analyze our preference and recommend customized content. Autonomous vehicles. Companies are developing self-driving cars powered by AI that can sense surrounding, navigate roads, and avoid obstacles with human inputs. Language translation. AI translation tools like Google Translate allow real-time translation of text, speech, and images between languages. Fraud detection. Bank and financial institution uses AI to analyze customer transaction and identify patterns to avoid fraud. Medical diagnosis. AI system can analyze medical images and patient data to identify issues and diagnose condition. It can assist doctors in making better diagnosis. Predictive messages. Smart reply features in apps uses AI to suggest relevant responses based on the context of the conversation. And last but not the least is facial recognition. AI can help us to identify and verify people faces in handling fraudulent situation. So it was our today's tutorial with latest IT information. Hope it will help you a lot. If you found this tutorial interesting, give a thumbs up and subscribe the channel for more awesome contents. Thanks for watching.